This video demonstrates how to identify the user interface components, interpret information provided on the status screen, access common menu options, and display and record instrument QC status. The main purpose of the VITEK 2 instrument user interface is to communicate information between the user and the instrument. This information may include instrument operations, the status of onboard disposables and messages, errors, or alerts. The user interface is also used when performing maintenance and diagnostic tests on the instrument. Please see the Instrument User Manual to learn how to perform required maintenance and diagnostic tests. Components of the user interface include an LCD display, a numeric keypad, and several function buttons and keys. Option keys. The option keys located on the top right side of the user interface are used to perform specific tasks. Choices will appear on the LCD display when applicable. Help key. The Help key has a question mark on it. Pressing the Help key temporarily silences alarms and displays instrument messages and/or errors. Instrument operation messages and/or errors are placed in a message queue by the instrument and stay there until users acknowledge them or resolve them. An alarm sounds when messages enter the message queue. Previous screen key. The previous screen key is used to return to the previous screen or to access a list of menus. Arrow keys. The arrow keys are used to scroll or move the cursor in the direction indicated. Arrow icons will appear on the LCD display when applicable. Enter key. The Enter key is used to complete or save entered data. Numeric keys. The numeric keys are used to enter one or more numbers. The status screen displays when the instrument is turned on or if the instrument is left unattended for more than 1 minute. It displays the status of the VITEK 2 instrument and lets users know when it is operating properly or, alternatively, when there are issues. There are 5 status messages. OK, indicating the instrument is working properly or has not yet discovered an issue. Messages, indicating the presence of an error message in the message queue that has not been viewed. Press the Help key to view the message queue. Errors. Appearing after the message queue is accessed if the error condition has not been resolved. This status can be cleared only by resolving the condition that generated the original message. Warming, indicating the incubator hasn't reached its normal operating temperature. This can occur during monthly maintenance when the instrument is turned off for an extended period of time. And cleaning, indicating the boats or carousel sections have been removed for cleaning. The status screen also displays the number of available carousel slots below the instrument status. The VITEK 260 has a maximum of 60 carousel slots, while the VITEK 2 XL has a maximum of 120. This VITEK 260 example shows the instrument has 58 available slots. The VITEK 2 XL slot display is determined by the type of optics that are installed. Newer VITEK 2 XLs have one line indicating the total number of available slots, while older instruments have 2 lines of slot information. The first line indicates total available slots, and the second line indicates the number of available ID slots. As you can see, this VITEK 2 XL instrument has 118 total slots and 59 ID slots available. The status screen continuously displays the amount of tips and saline that are available for making AST dilutions. When these consumables are completely full, the count displays 330, indicating there are adequate tips and saline to process 330 AST cards. When the count drops below 40 for one or both, the value for that consumable changes to low, indicating that both tips and saline should be changed. Instructions on changing pipette tips and saline can be found in the Instrument User Manual. Let's switch our attention now to functions accessible through the user interface. Each function has an associated option button that, upon pressing, allows users to navigate within menus to perform specific tasks. To view the function list menu, begin by pressing the Previous Screen button. The first function in the list is Display Instrument QC Status. Press the corresponding option button to the right to display the instrument QC status. From here, users may either record or cancel. Pressing the Record button transfers the current incubator and optics status to the VITEK 2 computer, where it is compiled onto a monthly instrument QC report that may be pulled from the computer. Pressing the Cancel button returns users to the previous screen. Other options on this list are Cassette Setup, Batch Load, Utilities, and Resolve Barcode Errors. Information about the remaining functions can be found in the Instrument User Manual. This concludes our introduction to the VITEK 2 user interface.